Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I would like to show you one modification video which I didn't post it for quite some time, but it really useful for a day-to-day usage. So I would like to show a video about that one, how this is functioning, and so what are the details about the modification and what are the parts required, and also in comparison to the what is available in aftermarket. And this feature is available in only SC line models, somewhere like around in Europe countries, not even US, but it is not available in Indian models and non-SC lines as well. Due to the complexity of the parts requirement for this feature, so it is basically not available in all the variants. Only it's exclusive to the SC line variants. So I will show you in this video. So what are the parts required for this modification, and what is the aftermarket options which is available in India. I'm not sure it is available in other countries, but there are some aftermarket kits which is really available in Indian models. But one thing is, like, it is the aftermarket kit does not provide all the functions which the OEM feature has. But it gives some sort of like the functions which is like missing for this vehicle. So yeah, I'm talking about the feature which is global close and open window, and also the one touch power window for all the 4 doors. Actually, the aftermarket kit does not provide one touch for all the 4 doors, but it provides only the automatic closure when you lock the vehicle. But whereas I don't think it has the unlocking function and all the global open option, but it does provide the global close function. But there is no anti-pinch option in the aftermarket, which is present in the OEM modification. So I will tell you today, so what are the parts required in this modification, and what are the wiring changes required in this video. I will limit to just high level information, but I cannot show you complete detail about it. But once, probably you can write down a comment so that I can provide more details on what are the parts required. So some people asking why it is so costly when you add this feature, basically for all the modifications. But it does cost a lot because the parts are not like ready available in India, and the wiring requirements also like so not like readily available in India as well. So we have to make a custom wiring, and also the connectors and the parts, in fact, are particularly imported. So there are some costs involved in this modification for, in fact, for the every modification. So that's the reason, like, always the OEM parts are like way above that, way costlier than the aftermarket kits available. Even some parts are not available from aftermarket also, because it is only like designed by Ford, so to work with the system completely. Okay, so I will show you now how the one touch power window and the global close and open options available, which are integrated in this vehicle today. Yeah. So currently vehicle is running, and so you can see this switch has been changed. So you can see there is no auto option for only one window. Now there is no auto option because all the windows are now auto. So when you see, I will see the driver window. So it is now one touch, which is already available, but still it is working. And I will show you on the passenger side. Okay, and you can see that is one touch. I'm showing. See, it is closing, which is also one touch. Now I'll show you on the rear side. Now it's on the so one touch on the back side, so you can. So you can see it's one touch close. Similarly for the rear window, passenger side, and also now on the passenger side, the one touch close. As individual door switches have been changed, one touch option was for each doors as well. Okay, now I will show you how. Okay, I'll show you the settings actually. I'll show. So let's go to settings, vehicle. So windows, you can see remote open and remote close. So this can be turned on or turned off. So basically remote open is like when you unlock and press and hold the lock key, it'll simply close all the windows. Similarly, for the remote close is nothing but when you lock the vehicle and press and hold the um, lock button, it'll close the it'll roll up all the windows. This particular mod is really useful. So when you enter into a mall where the guy asks checking for the details, so you can you leave it open, and when you lock the vehicle you forget to close the window. So finally, so you have to come to the vehicle again, and you need to turn on and close the windows. So here, so it is not the case, so you can remotely close and open the windows. So I'll show you now the how remote close and open works. So I need to switch off the vehicle. So it's locked now. So in fact the windows are already closed. Okay, now we have unlocked the vehicle. Okay, now I'll unlock the vehicle and pressing and holding the unlock button for 3 seconds. So you can see now all the windows rolling down automatically. Okay. Similarly, I'm locking the vehicle and pressing and holding the buttons for 3 seconds. So that's it. You can see all the windows closing automatically. So that's all about the feature. This can be turned off and turned on inside the cluster settings, which is not available in the aftermarket kits. Actually, there is no anti-pinch option also available, so which is now safe with the OEM installation. Okay, so that's all about the feature. But to integrate this feature, so we need to change the door motors, particularly the rear two motors on the passenger side motors, and the switches for all the 4 doors, also the door modules which is required for the rear doors actually. So the wirings in fact has been not changed. I reused all the maximum all the wires. There is no additional wirings has been done, but the existing wires has been reused. So that's how the installation done, which is safely in this vehicle. And whatever the wirings required, so I use always high quality Teflon wires or the automotive grade wires, which is coming for the vehicles actually. Yeah, and so that's all about it. And for the next video, I will show you a bigger one, which is like Sync 4, which is a yet to post a video. There are a lot of people asking in the multiple forums, but I didn't really find a time to get a detailed video about it. But surely the next video will be the Sync 4 13.2-inch video. But 8-inch is nothing but like 8-inch is already done very long back, almost like 3 years back actually. You could have evidenced in my full digital cluster video itself. But I wanted to show a 13-inch video which has a bigger screen and having more information on the display, and it looks very good as well in this vehicle. So stay tuned to my channel and write down the comment about this modification. If you have any doubts about this video, about this modification, you can always reach me over my different channels like Instagram and YouTube comments. I will always there to help with you. And you can also write down comments on any other modifications which I have done in this vehicle and across my channel. And keep supporting my channel and by subscribing it. There are a lot of people watching my videos but without subscribing it. So if you want to get notified about my new modifications and details, always you have it subscribed. Thank you.